The following video contains some tones that are disturbing. If you play this in public, you may or will cause panic, but note, this video is a work of fiction, not real. Anyways, enjoy the video. This is a civil danger alert for Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Citizens of Los Angeles, lock all your doors immediately. Mass arson, burglaries, and killings that took place across the area. Groups of dangerous individuals are looting stores, homes, and killing anyone they see to get supplies. Mass riots have broke out across the United States following the government's broadcast on the upcoming extinction event. You are highly urged not to partake in any illegal and violent activities as you'll be injured or murdered. Law and order still remains and will not cease. Police will not hesitate to intervene in any dangerous situation. All citizens must remain indoors and engage in peaceful activities following the final day. Lock all your doors and windows. If an intruder breaks into your home, you are permitted to use anything as possible to protect you, your entire family, and your property. Remain sheltered until further information is given. Repeating, a civil danger is currently ongoing in Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation.